Hi folks, welcome to part 2 of the homemade handbag tutorial. As you can see here on the workbench is I've finally finished my Mark III version with the tapered sides, and as you can see there, that's the same grain as I showed you yesterday, and I've completed all the screws in that one and put the clasp in last. I always put the clasp in last so I can fold it over and get the flap in the position that I want it to go into. And the actual artwork on it, or the pyrography, is done with my trusted Antex Firewriter here, which is one of the better units on the market at the moment. You can change the different ends there, so that's how I do the patterns with. So we'll move back to the bench, and the final stages of the bag, that was Mark III that I've just shown you, and this is Mark IV, which is quite a lot larger, and again I've used that same pattern as the one I've just shown you, but slightly bigger, again in English walnut. And on this one I have put a texture, a pattern along the edge there, and a pattern along the back edge. I don't know whether you can see it there. I've run the lines along the bottom there, and I've done that with a what you call a crimping wheel, which has got some crimps on the side there, and I heated that over the of the alcohol burner here. It makes quite a good job. You can do it when it's cold, but it doesn't actually bite in quite as good. You get a much better texture on it. I've actually fitted the strap to this, and I've done the same on the strap as well. I've put a pattern along the strap, and you can see the stainless steel screws there and how they actually fit inside. They just peep through, and then there's a little domed, chromed nut on the back. So basically what I do is using super glue, I actually stick say a 3 or 4 inch section along there onto the timber, just to hold it there so it doesn't slip from when I'm drilling the holes. And the leather is overlapping the timber by about a couple of millimetre. Just leaves it proud in case so you don't knock the wood. So it's quite a simple procedure, to put the stainless steel screws in. I'll just put that alcohol lamp out just in case I burn something. So with the packet of these self-tapping I'll tip some onto the table there so I can carry on. They're number 6, which is 3.5mm wide on the outside of the threads, and they have a little torque centre in them. So what I do, it's quite simple. Glue the leather onto the wood, and then just by eye, is actually in shot, yeah. So what I'll do is I've marked the markings along with the dividers, and simply eye it up, looking down the side of the board here, and then drill a hole about 1/2 inch deep or a little bit deeper. And that drill there is 2.5mm diameter. And then with the use of my other drill and a torque, put the torque into the end, and then that's it. And do that all the way around till it's complete. And then I haven't actually got the clasps yet when they come on this larger version, which is you could hold maybe a weekend shopping in there. I'm going to put two clasps on that one on a couple of inch either end, one here and one here, and that one will do for like a weekend away or a little bit of shopping day. So I'll do another couple of holes, you should be able to see there, and work my way around until they're all done. You've got to drill a pilot hole, otherwise it will split the wood. The wood's only 10mm wide. It's a nice day today actually, so I'll finish this off and go and do a bit of gardening actually. Got quite a bit of soil to sieve and another video to make for how does your garden grow. So that's basically this last video, showing you how the final parts are done. So I'll cut this video short here for now, and hope that helps anybody in case they want to have a go at doing this. Quite a simple bag. If you've got any questions, hit that subscribe button, and I'll answer any questions that you may have. So there's Mark 4. Thank you all again for watching. Bye for now.